A lock function is what the hardware industry uses to describe how a lock operates. Manufacturers such as Schlage use numbers to designate a lock function, as well as a word or phrase that often describes a popular opening on which the function is used. Let's look at 6 of Schlage's most popular cylindrical lock functions, available with Schlage's most popular cylindrical lock series, the ND. In our examples, we will use levers instead of knobs to describe how the locks operate. The passage lock function means that both levers are always unlocked and able to retract the latch bolt, allowing passage through the opening at all times by everyone. Think of areas of a building where there is no need to lock. For example, conference rooms and many facilities use passage locks. Schlage designates the passage lock as the ND10S. The privacy lock function does just what its name says. This lock has a push button on the inside lever that locks the outside lever, giving a person privacy. If the push button is depressed, no one from the outside can get in, as there is no key on the outside lever. However, if there is an emergency, one can use a small screwdriver to open the door from the outside. I bet you know where privacy locks are commonly used. Schlage refers to the privacy ND lock as the ND40S. Let's talk about lock functions that include the use of keys. The office lock function has a push button on the inside lever and a key in the outside lever. When the push button is depressed, the door is locked unless someone uses the outside key to unlock or someone manually turns the inside lever. The office lock's name is a big clue as to its most common use: office doors. Schlage calls this lock the ND50PD. Another lock function true to its name is the classroom lock. In this case, the outside lever is locked and unlocked with a key. The inside lever is always unlocked. This functionality allows authorized personnel to unlock a room and leave it unlocked for extended periods. Schlage calls this lock the ND70PD. Today, more and more schools use a newer function, the classroom security lock. In this case, both the inside and outside levers are keyed. Using a key in either lever locks and unlocks the outside lever. This means, in case there is an emergency, the staff can lock a classroom door from inside the room. The inside lever is always unlocked, allowing people in the room to exit. Schlage calls the classroom security lock the ND75PD. Finally, another very common lock function is the storeroom lock. In this case, the outside lever is fixed or rigid, but it has a key. Using the key retracts the latch bolt, momentarily unlocking the door. The inside lever is always unlocked, so one is never locked in the storeroom. This function is used for storage areas and other spaces with very limited access. Schlage calls this function the ND80PD. By the way, the Schlage ND series is available in a multitude of functions. Schlage offers this variety so that each opening works well for a building's occupants and owners. But don't feel as if one has to know all of these many functions. Start with the 6 we just covered. Then know you can turn to Schlage for many more. Look for more videos.